Imagine turning your app ideas into fully functional web prototype instantly without spending hours of coding. Introducing Qwen 2.5 Coder's new Artifacts feature, a game changer for developers, designer, and anyone with a creative vision. Here's a step-by-step process how to do it. So you just have to visit this website in Hugging Space, which is made available to you in the description. You can just click on this. And after you do it, we have to enter the app idea with a clear description here. And after that is done, click send instantly. And we should be able to generate and preview the prototype, refine the design, and export the code for our project. So let's look at how this can be done. So, and one tip or recommendation I have for all of you is start simple, build your app with basic layouts and add feature as you go to create a complex prototype efficiently. Don't try to generate an advanced app initially. First, iterate over your process so that you can get it efficiently. So we will now move to our app using the Artifacts. I have created a monthly salary spending app in a couple of minutes. Let me show you how it works. So the idea here is, let me move on to my this one. So I'll just ask it to generate this for me. So I need a monthly salary spending app where I can enter expenses. So this is the idea what I want, and it is coding it out for me. So the whole idea what we intend to build here is set the monthly salary as a budget, add expenses by category like rent, food, travel, instantly see the balances as and when we enter an expense. And we should be able to play around with this, and it should support all the global currencies. As you can see, you have so let me basically say rent, and if I say 1,000, as of now everything is in USD, right? So I can either delete it or keep it. I can keep it, but I can't do anything greater than that here. If you want to see the code, if you just click on view code, you can see the code. You can export this. So that's the idea here. And let me move on to the more advanced version of this. So let's see what this would do. So I am just adding an additional version of the prompt. What I'm saying is I need a monthly salary spending app where I can enter expenses. Can we do with the total salary and then show the remaining balances after each expense? And can we add all major currency, not just dollar? So this is basically an app made only for people in United States. Others won't be able to do it, or they have to convert each of their expenses into USD, which is a time consuming process, which makes the app unusable for them. So now let me regenerate this code. Okay, we'll go through the same process again, and we should get what we are intended to. So okay, we should see our code after this is generated. So just wait a couple of minutes for that. Cool. So it's coding all the logic we have asked for it. So let's see how effective this would be. Okay. So here it's asking my total salary. So let me assume it as unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay. So I've just written it as 100,000 INR here, or 1 lakh in India, if you want to call it. And let's say my expense is rent, and let's assume I'm paying 20,000, right? So let me add that expense. Okay, my remaining balance is 80k, and let's say the expense I have is food, and let's assume I pay 15,000 for my food. Yeah, I'm paying 15,000 for my food. Okay, remaining balance is 65,000. I'll call it travel, and let's say for travel I will end up spending 10,000. So after this you still have some 55,000, and let's assume stock investing or SIP. If I say this, let's say I'm doing some 20,000 every month. Okay, so that still leaves me with 30,000, and for 30,000, let me say entertainment, I'll probably spend 10,000. Okay, so I have another 25k left, and let's say FDs are nothing but keeping money in the bank, and you earn back an interest on it. So let's say I would probably do a 10,000 FD every month. That still leaves me 15,000. family expenses, let's say you have another 15,000. Okay, so at the end of my month, my balance is pretty much zero, and if I have to play around with it, I can do that. So the idea is whatever I just thought about implementing it, I did get a prototype working without writing a single line of code. Ready to transform your ideas into live prototype? Head over to Hugging Face and try Qwen Coder today. I hope this was very useful, and this is something which helps you transform your ideas, your design, built instantly with quick artifacts. Thank you for joining.